Okay, guys, so this first example is what is the difference between -6, 8 and -3, 9? So remember, these are 2 points in our coordinate plane. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to do this. This is going to be the way easier way, okay? So you have to find the values or calculate the values from the 2 legs. So the first coordinate, you want to ask yourself how far apart is -6 from -3 because we're finding the distance on that leg. So how far apart is it to go from -6 to -3? So how many hops would we make to go from -6 to -3? And what we're actually doing is doing -6 minus -3. To find the distance, you find the difference from the positions. Okay, this is 3 units. Okay, we would go from -5 to -4 to -3. 1, 2, 3 units. So this leg is 3 units. Now, for the y coordinate, we're going to look at the second value, and I'm going to put a box around these. Hopefully you can see that it's a different color from the orange. So down here, and this is the y coordinate, so technically it's up and down, so we can make it go up and down. How far apart is the unit 8 to the unit 9? So on our y-axis is really just a vertical number line, no different than the horizontal, except for it's twisted sideways. We could also think of it, how far apart is 8 from 9? How many units? Either way, no matter how we do it, whether we go up and down or if we go left and right, no matter what, 8 is only 1 unit or 1 block away from 9. Okay? So 1. One leg is 3 units. The other leg is 1 unit. So this triangle will be 3 units on one side and 1 unit on the other. So we have 3 units here, 1 unit here. We're going to calculate out our hypotenuse using that formula. So we have, and remember, the Google calculator will do it for you. It'll even show you the work when you click show more. This is going to be the square root of 1 leg squared plus another leg squared. Okay, I'm going to do it by hand, but really at this point, you guys can put it in the calculator. You can just write the magical word calculator. 3 squared is 9, 1 squared is 1, 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9, 1 squared is 1 times 1, which is just 1. So I have the square root of 3, 3 squared, which is, oh man, that's ugly, which is 9, and 1 squared, which is 1. 1's beautiful. 1 and 0 are the only two numbers that when you square them, they give you themselves. Okay, 9 plus 1 is 10, the square root of 10. Oh my gosh, that's ugly. Hey Google, what's the square root of 10?
Square root of 10 is approximately 3.162.
162. Okay, we normally do to the nearest hundredth, so 3.16. Okay, guys, I need you guys to copy down as much of this that will help you understand in your notes. Also, remember you can go back and re-watch this video as many times as you need. So if you've already got it, pause it and copy down what you need for notes. If you don't have it, I'm going to try to re-explain it. So we're trying to find the length of the legs of our right triangle. -6 and -3 we found out are 3 units apart. You can visualize that on a number line, and you guys remember making number lines. Hopefully, if not, message me, shoot me an email, say, hey, Miss McKim, I don't understand how you got 3 and how you got 1. And I will re-explain it in a different way. But what we did, we found out that -6 and -3 are 3 units apart. And then 8 and 9, most of you should know this, 8 and 9 are only 1 unit apart. You do not have to actually draw this triangle, but once you find out your x coordinates are 3 units apart and your y coordinates 1 unit apart, this right here are the legs of your triangle. So you can use Google Calculator or the GeoGebra Scientific Calculator to type this formula in, or Google Calculator will help you see it. Okay? I'm going to show you guys another example in the next video.